Go. All right.
Okay, so your meniscus was fine. There wasn't anything wrong with this. I looked all around and put probes underneath it and moved it all around. But the problem that you had here was you had kind of like a full thickness defect in the end of this bone. In other words,
Which part of my leg?
right there,
Right where I was having all the pain.
where you're having all the pain, mostly right here. And it went all the way down to bone. So I cleaned it up around the edges to try to recess it a little bit, make it a little bit smoother, so maybe it won't hurt nearly as much. This side of this bone was okay. This tibial plateau was fine.
Which is at the down.
Just
Okay,
on
down
this
here.
side, your cruciate ligament was okay. The lateral tibial plateau was normal. Lateral femoral condyle was normal. Trochlear groove. This area right here
Okay.
was also bad.
Why?
It had very rough cartilage on it because this is actually the thinnest cartilage in the body, right here. And it just so happens that the thickest cartilage in the body is underneath your kneecap. Your kneecap was normal. I didn't see much else going on there. That looked good. But here, you had some cartilage rubbed off. So I smoothed that out a little bit, and then smoothed this out a little bit, and that was about it. That's all we did. So what we're gonna do?
But you said one more statement that really rocked me. You said my ACL graft was not
Well, the
functioning
graft
anymore.
was not working. It was there, but it's not working. It's loose, floppy, stretched.
So did I stretch it too much?
It may have just done that by itself, because it's been there a number of years.
So me trying to possibly recover my range of motion, did that maybe do it wrong?
No, I don't think so. It could be. There's a number of factors involved, and one of them is just how you heal. And it probably had nothing to do with what you did or what you do, but what has happened is that the your knee has compensated for that ACL being non-functional. So what it does is that it starts to deteriorate. It starts to go bad. So you're going to end up with degenerative. This joint is going to be degenerative. So in order to try to slow that process down, what we need to do is probably put some gel in there.
Okay, I'm open to that.
Some hydrogel.
I'm open to that.
Squirt it in there, make it slide and glide a little easier.
Okay.
That way it won't hurt.
But you made the statement of artificial knee, which I was.
Well, that's farther down the road. If the gel doesn't work and you are still having lots of trouble with the knee, then we can do we can even do this. We can do what this is just a partial replace the parts that are worn out. We don't have to do the whole thing.
So this is an actual
Implant.
Oh wow. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking when most people do artificial, I'm thinking they wipe all of that out.
Yeah,
Wipe
well,
all of that out.
that's the whole thing.
I want that.
But you don't have, this is not worn out over here, or here, or here, so that's not necessary.
Okay.
This we can do.
Okay. Now, all right. Well, what's my downtime further? When do I? And you know what? I have a. I'm gonna go ahead and end this.